What's up, guys? Lil Bro here. We're on our way to Lake Harris right now on a quest to catch some lake monsters. Let's get it.
Today, we're gonna throw some toads.
Got a bunch of different choices right now.
We're out here right now trying to figure out what we're gonna throw. It's real windy.
We're out here at Lake Harris, boys. It's really windy today. We're gonna be fishing this spot right here. Nice little opening to fish, throw some frogs, toads.
Let's try that again.
Delete that.
Throwing toads today. John. What's up, Doug Light? It bit me. Ew, it bit me. It bit me.
Okay, baby.
Come on. Cast. Well, we're leaving Lake Harris. Didn't have no luck, not even a bite. All we did is catch a cold here. We're gonna go over to From Water to Mud's house, aka Bigger Bro. Let's see if we can catch something over there. It's got the From Water to Mud's house. See if we can catch us some fish.
You gotta fall in and just grab in.
Just
I
jump.
can go with you.
Oh,
There's a little bit of water in the front.
go all the way to the back.
That floor comes up like 2 inches, so there's like just 2 inches of water.
What do you see in the back? Stand on the metal piece.
You go in there.
How much water?
Alright, guys, we're hooked up on fish number 1. Take this one.
Not a big one, but it's a start. Here we go.
At this moment, little bro had thought he messed up.
You getting him by hand?
So I'm using a freaked out grab right now.
There you go. Fish number 2 of the day. Nice little fish.
Gotta release from this side.
Right here. Right here.
What an amazing way to finish the day. For future videos, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button. And in the comment section, write down one of your favorite experiences out on the water. See you in the next video.